Them say love fade, but every night me look at you, it glow bright like the moonlight. Me still remember the first kiss, cool breeze, sweet bliss. Your eyes said stay before your lips did. My heart knew, my soul slid. You hand palm my chest like a prayer. You whisper say me always there. The stars them jealous when we talk. Me wish me could pose every midnight walk. Under the moonlight my love is still. Even when time stands still, me would wait all lifetime long for hear your voice in one more song. Under the moonlight, you still me queen, no matter the miles in between. Sometimes me wake and call your name. My bed cold but you warm my brain. You laugh echo in my room, like roses blooming in a full moon. Me can't lie, me miss the way you used to pray with me every day. But even if me can't hold you tight, me still love you under the moonlight. You're not gone, just far for now, but me feel you still, me still alone. My heartbeat, same rhythm you do. Under stars, me still dream about you. Under the moonlight, me whisper your name. Me love you slow, me love you same. Even if me can't hold you close, my heart still writes your love in prose. Under the moonlight, one day me know we'll meet again where the night wind blows.